Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So, it may look like I'm running out of video ideas, but really I'm not. So, today I'm gonna show you how to make cereal. So, welcome to Addie's, cooking vlog. So, first step here, so you get your bowl, bowl, put it down, get the cereal of your choice. This is optional. I'm doing Fruit Loops just because it's like one of my favorite cereals, and it's just so yummy, and I think it's great for like literally everything. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna take the cereal and pour it into your bowl. So make sure this bag thing doesn't fall out while you're pouring. So keep on pouring until a necessary amount is distributed into the bowl. So I'm feeling pretty hungry right now, so I'm just gonna give myself a little bit more. So that's a pretty good pour. So after you have poured your cereal in, I would get your milk and make sure it's good milk and it's not expired, because that'd be kind of gross. So what you're gonna do with your milk is you're gonna open the lid, put that to the side, and kind of just like, I would recommend you just kind of wing it and just pour it. So yes. So pour it until the cereal reaches about the top area. So yeah, perfect. So you put your lid back on your milk and then put that aside. And then final step is you take your spoon, you put it in your cereal, and you enjoy. So those are a couple easy steps to making a yummy cereal meal. So please comment down below if you want me to make anything else, So yeah, see you next week. It's Toucan Sam. Toucan Sam. I just spilled. By the way, make sure to clean up your mess if you make any messes, because you wouldn't want your mom to yell at you for making a mess. So always do that.